This is it, guys. Here is my banana fritters. I have paper towel with oil. There's a piece of oil because I tried a piece of you just when you finish making your batter and you're ready to fry, you just drop just a little piece of the batter in it in the oil and then taste test it. So, and I taste tested it, was pretty balanced. I don't need to add anything to it. It's pretty much done. My fire is on, the heat is on like 4 because it's electric stove, so it's 4. But make sure you have paper towel because these things, I don't eat them that much because they soak up a lot of oil. They take up a lot of oil. And that's why it's good to cook with healthy oil. This is grapeseed oil. Remember I said it's going to do about 4 or 5, but it did 6, so not bad. It's gonna be breakfast for 2 days. So yeah. So it's all done, guys. You see, it's hot, so I want to try a piece. But look at all of that grease. All of that grease. I'm gonna take this paper towel out, throw it out, and put 2 new paper towels for just so it could soak up the oil some more for my banana fritters. But you see, it's very simple to make if you're just making a batch for yourself or even for you and someone else, you know, for breakfast, for a 1 day breakfast type meal. It's good. And then yeah, that's it. But I gotta change out the towels because look at all the oil that's soaked up so quick. Taste test time. So like I had said in my prior videos, I don't really know how to measure. Like I could show you how I cook stuff because I just want to share. Um, but as in measurements, like, you know, if you do 1 cup of flour, um, I don't know, maybe you need 1.5 tablespoons of allspice, cinnamon. I don't know. I was taught how from my aunt and my mom. You just they just say, watch on me, I do it. Caribbean people crazy. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. You chew, you see, you eat, depending on how much stuff you have, you know you need this much more or this much more. So I I usually smell my banana fritters. If it smells very spicy, seasoning, all spicy, flavorful, then I know it's gonna taste good. If it smell like more floury, then I need to add seasonings. So, happy food dance, happy food dance. So I breakfast now for 2 days because my husband don't like stuff like this. So food from me. Check out my other videos to see how I did it. It's not easy. Deuces, love ya. Jesus loves you more. I'll throw her from the rain.